Hi, I'm Damesh Vasanth from the research desk at LOLC Securities.
And I'm Dinusha Gomes, I'm from the sales desk.
So let's just take a look at the last week market. Market started the week in a dull mood despite the indices gain. However, the momentum was spurred with the lifting of the 10% price ban on Thursday. On Friday, indices took a deeper gain as the investors decided to take immediate profits. Premier conglomerate John Kill's holdings attracted investors during the dull market sessions at the beginning of the week, only to dip to close the week due to profit taking. Nestle Lanka and Ceylon Tobacco lifted the food, beverage, and tobacco sector, with exhibiting rapid price gains. Ceylon Developments and Overseas Realty also witnessed an interest, while the sector index made the highest gain during the week. Only 7 negotiated deals took place in the bourse. JH accounted for 3 of them, where 3,223,675 shares were traded at 209.50 rupees, and 50,000 shares were traded at 209.40 rupees. NDB Bank recorded a crossing of 1 million shares at 124 rupees, while Ceylon Tobacco Distilleries and Overseas Realty took care of 1 crossing each. Institutional or high net worth participation was dull during the start of the week after holidays. Despite the reverse trend on Friday, we estimate the move to lift the price band to gear up the activity levels as a welcome move by the SEC. We believe the space for speculation is minimal after seeing the consequences during the last year. Hence, it is expected to see an increased level of activity during the next
And
week.
moving on to corporate news, Sri Lanka's Securities and Exchange Commission said it was lifting the price band imposed on volatile stocks with immediate effect, but will continue to monitor the market and to be reinforced if needed. People's Merchant PLC informed that the Monetary Board of Central Bank of Sri Lanka has granted the company the license to carry on finance activities with effect from 17th April 2012. And also, Ceylon Bank has appointed Mr. Mohan Pidis as its chairman. And the bank said that he has 37 years of experience as a lawyer, and in 1978 he has qualified as a solicitor of the Supreme Court of England and Wales. And Sri Lanka's Bogle Graphite announced their yearly results, and they said that they've seen higher sales in lubricant made from a newly installed plant last year, and that they expect growing demand from the industry in the South Asian region. The company, a unit of Germany's Graphite Konfulage, said that the company's net profit halved to 33 million rupees from last year's 70 million rupees. Bogle Graphite Group sales rose slightly to 399 million rupees in the year ended December 31st, 2011 from 386 million in the year before. EPS fell to 70 cents in 2011 from 1 rupee and 49 cents rupees the previous year. Waskadoo Beach Resort, a subsidiary of Citrus Lesser PLC, plans to build a 150-room 4-star hotel costing $23.8 million on a property on the south coast. The ownership of a prime beachfront property, the listed Citrus Leisure bought in Sri Lanka's east coast for 169 million rupees, is now being disputed in court. And also Brown Investment PLC is to build a 150-room hotel on the south coast at an estimated cost of 1.75 billion rupees, and is scheduled to be completed in 2013 amidst recent war.
Moving on to the economic news, Bank of Ceylon has been given B1 rating by Moody's Investors Services ahead of planned bond sale in international capital markets with a stable outlook. In addition, Sri Lanka's biggest lender, state-owned Bank of Ceylon, has reported a sharp increase in the profits of its 2 overseas branches in neighboring South India and the Maldives last year. Sri Lanka will grow around 7% in 2012, with tighter monetary policy brought in to strengthen the exchange rate and cut inflation, and will rebound to 8% during 2013, Asian Development Bank said. If you look at the tourist arrivals, Sri Lanka's tourist arrivals rose 21.3% to reach 91,102 in March, from a a year earlier, with arrival in the first 3 months up by 21.1% to reach 260,525, the State Tourist Promotion Agency said. Arrivals from Western Europe rose by 35.6% to 40,686, with UK arrivals surging by 35.9% to reach 12,032, reversing a contraction in previous months. German arrivals rose by 29.6% to 7,654, and French arrivals up by 8.1%. Swedish arrivals rose by 83.7%. Dutch arrivals rose by 53.1%, and Italian arrivals rose by 40.6%. According to the Central Bank Annual Report 2011, the economy grew by 8.3%. Inflation remained at single-digit levels for the third consecutive year, supported by improved domestic supply conditions, prudent liquidity management by the central bank, and benign inflation expectations. However, many arguments were raised by several opposition parties regarding the GDP per capita calculations.
And moving on to global news, the European stock markets closed higher as banks rallied on a rise in the German Business Climate Index and strong retail sales data from the UK. And oil prices in the US have regained some of their footing against Brent crude. Prices for the crude on the New York Mercantile Exchange have risen 1.6% since April 4th, while Brent, considered to be the global benchmark, has fallen 2.9% over the same period, narrowing the price gap.
And with that, we wrap up last week's summary. Thank you very much.
Thank you.